everyone, my name is Divine Di Carrido. We are from the BS Marine Biology. So now we will share about the heritage, some places in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. So I will sharing two places in Luzon. First, the Taal Heritage Village, and the second is the Casa Manila or House of Manila. Of the province of Batangas. It is used to be located in present day in San Nicolas, but the whole town was forced to move as a safer elevated location further from the Taal volcano after the disastrous day in 200 in 1754 eruption. In May 15 to December 1, 1754. This is the biggest eruption of the small volcano in recorded history. The town continued to prosper during the Spanish era and provide some of the country's bravest nation heroes, including including Don Felipe Agoncillo, a revolutionary hero and a diplomat his wife, which is Doña Marcela Marino Agoncillo, best known for the making the Philippines flag. Doña Celeria Marela de Villavicencio, known as the godmother of the revolution and the major supporter of the revolt against the Spanish forces. And the second heritage place in Luzon was the Casa Manila or Manila House. It's a living museum that figures the lifestyle of an affluent Filipino family during the late Spanish colonial period. The facade of the Casa Manila was patterned after a house that once stood at the Taboneros Street in the Chinese district of Binondo in 1850s. The interior decor of the house followed the taste of the turn of the late 19th century, where furniture and furnishing were sourced from Europe and China. Painted walls, crystal chain dealers, curved faris, and Chinese ceramics and glittered furniture show the elegance and luxury of a 17th century Manila house. So now we go to Visayas. We choose the Cross of Magellan and the Simbahan of Baclayon.
Magellan. Magellan Cross is a historical symbol located in Cebu City, Philippines. It is housed in a small chapel next to Basilica Minor del Santo Niño, which is one of the oldest Roman Catholic church in the country. The cross is said to be planted by the Portuguese explorer Ferdinand Magellan when he arrived in Cebu on March 15, 1521. Ferdinand Magellan, representing the Spanish crown, arrived in the in the Philippines during his expedition to circumnavigate the globe. He and his crew introduced Christianity to the island, and the planting of the cross symbolized the conversion of the indigenous population.
Historical places to visit in Mindanao. So we have the Rizal Shrine of the Pitan City. The Pitan City is most significant historical place to visit in Mindanao. It refers to Dr. Jose P. Rizal estate, which is roughly 16 hectares in size and located 2 kilometers northwest of City Hall in Barangay Talisay. So this park is dedicated to the memory of our beloved hero, Jose Rizal. In this place, Rizal embodied the truth that a life of is not committed to noble goal is meaningless. It is a stone that is not attached to anything, it's just lost in the field. The personified what is meant to be a man or a mission, making the most of each moment despite his tragic fate being created by the goals. He worked as a countryside doctor, farmer, businessman, inventor, painter, sculptor, archaeologist, linguist, grammarian, teacher, architect, poet, biologist, composer, surveyor, and environmentalist throughout his 4 years of exile. In addition to be a lover, father, and brother to all the Pitanos.
And that's all, ma'am. These are my co-member, Mylene Flores Sahi, Najir Sali, and Florence Conserman, and your story, Divine Di Carrido.